Day 3 of Operation Garage Makeover is underway. Story is out here painting her polar bear white paint on the walls. Looks like Daddy's got his rolling stick. Oh, it's gonna look so much better, so much cleaner. Good job, Story. You're pretty good at this. Have you done this before?
Yeah.
Looks like you have a lot of experience in the painting world. I hope they're paying you good. Look at those brush strokes. Very nice. It's gonna look like a big old polar bear out here, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's something very satisfying about this.
You want to do it?
Yeah, I do. I'll do it.
This is the absolute worst.
I like to see things that are really dirty and gross get really nice and clean. I think that's why I like power washing so much.
Switching out, I don't know if you heard it or not, I absolutely hate painting. Like, I'll do anything else. Look at them go. Morning. Mama. We got our first coat done last night, kind of late. It looks so much better in here. Like, oh my gosh, just that alone. I'm ready to leave it, right? But we're doing a second coat because like there's some areas that are, you know, had some stuff hanging on the wall and, you know, it's kind of like its marks are showing through. So just keep painting, keep painting, keep painting. That's what we're doing. And we'll see you later. You say anything, Mama?
We'll see you when it's done. How about that?
We'll see you when the painting's done. How about that?
That's what I mean.
Yeah. Boop.
We interrupt this regularly scheduled garage program for an air show, which we weren't planning on doing, but this morning we were laying in bed scrolling our phones and Tim comes across a post on our neighborhood page and they said, "We have a free parking pass if anybody wants it." And so we snatched it up. We knew that this air show was happening weeks ago, I'll say, but we had no idea that we had to have a parking pass. Even though like military has access to the base, you still have to have one of these passes because they haven't had this air show in 4 years, and apparently the last time they had it, there were too many people on base. It was a, what's the word, capacity issue. So now they've issued, I think, 22,000 passes. And so they were out whenever we tried to go get one. The neighbor said that they had an extra one. We snatched it up last minute. We decided to do this at the very last second. So this morning has been a scramble to say the least. But we're on our way now. It's 10:30. The gates opened at 9 and they stop incoming traffic at 1:30. Our theory was that we would let everybody rope drop at 9 a.m., let that crowd kind of like subside, and then maybe it won't be as bad trying to get through the gate, but I don't know. We'll see. So Story requested some DDs this morning, some Dunkin Donuts, so we're going to drive through there really quick because it's on the way, grab some donuts and maybe a drink, and then we'll be at the gate in a few minutes.
What are you going to get from Dunkin Donuts?
Donuts.
What kind of donuts?
I don't know.
Oh.
Spinach donuts?
No.
Broccoli donuts?
No.
No.
I don't know.
Chocolate
know?
donuts?
Yeah.
Chocolate? With sprinkles? Okay.
Hi everybody. Today we're gonna go eat at and we're gonna eat an airplane.
We're gonna see some airplanes. Okay, there seems to be a little bit of confusion. They have this alternative, I don't know, what would you call this? Not a gate.
Mama.
This is not the normal gate that you use to get on the base, but they have this open for today, I guess.
Hey, Mommy.
Okay, we made it on base. Pretty easy, actually.
Pretty painless.
I thought there was going to be a long line to get in. There really wasn't. They let us on, and then we kind of showed them our little pass, and now we're just going to where the air show is.
I will say this. You can definitely tell it was an Air Force event. Army, we don't do stuff like this.
What do you mean?
We'd be doing strip searches and vehicle searches, like all sorts of
Oh, you
crap.
mean they're just like really
Yeah,
relaxed
we're just
about
letting
it?
everybody, come on the base.
Well, it is open to
Come
the
on.
public.
Are we at the airport?
No,
It's not
we're
the
on
airport.
base.
That's a dream lifter. What are those for?
No, it lifts dreams, I guess.
All right, we're parked, and it is much windier than I thought it was going to be. My hair's blowing everywhere. I should have wore a hat. And it's colder than I thought. It's 55 right now. It feels like 30. This should be interesting. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, we made it through security, and we made it through a potty break, and now we can go see some planes. They got toys, hot dogs and bratwurst, cherry lemonade, Jerry's cherry lemonade, soft pretzels, chicken finger french fries. Hey, you can win a Corvette here too. Here's all the planes. I wish I knew more about planes so I could tell you what these were all called. But if you were in the Air Force, if you've piloted one of these before or rode in one, let me know in the comments. These are so cool. I think you can go up in the butt of this one. We might try to do that. Look at that big boy. You want to go on that? All right, let's do it. Wow. Here we go. This is pretty cool. So what is this? Like one of those planes where they throw stuff off the back? Oh, it is?
C5.
Here we go. Okay, C5. 247 feet. Operating weight, 400,000 pounds. Wow.
Max gross takeoff weight, 840,000 pounds.
Woo. So are these the ones that you would take, like, to Iraq and Afghanistan? And like along the sides?
No. There's like a big
Oh.
part that slides in the middle.
Oh,
No seats. It's sit. So
Okay.
It's like actual plane.
huh. And they just take them out? Story's getting deployed. She wants to ride it. She keeps asking if we can ride it. I don't think we have a driver. I knew the butt could open up, but I never knew the nose could open up. I just realized I'm wearing the wrong sunglasses. I need to be wearing aviator glasses right now. What was I thinking? So I think this show is actually, like, the lineup is supposed to start in a few minutes, but we're gonna wait in line for this, so we'll see how long this takes. There goes one of them. Incoming. I have no idea if this is gonna show up, but that plane that just went over dropped something and they're like floating in the air now. Somebody tell me what that is. They have like little flags on them, or is that a parachute? That's bizarre, they're just kind of hovering. I need a better zoom. They're coming down now. I think you can see them. See those little things? There's some more. They're like right there. There's one. Catch it! Go get it! Go get it! Go get it! Everybody's running after it.
Look at that beautiful formation. Listen to the sound that many people heard during World War II. As soldiers take from the skies.
Here's the C-17 dropping some parachutes. Oh, that's cool. The one's got red smoke. Looks like the middle one might be blue. Or black and red. These are the black daggers. There they go. What, honey?
Let's welcome back to Earth. We'll give them a great big thanks, Charles, and welcome.
Here Here we go. We're gonna check out an F-15.
I've
It's a tight
installed
squeeze.
and pulled out so many engines. I can't even count.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely. We're engine qualified and everything.
Oh, really?
So,
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah. If you look to the right of the stick,
Alan Mitchell, friends of the air show announcing business. Alan, what a day it is for an air show.
we have a JFS that we can pull and whatnot. After 30 seconds, we send our motors. So,
What we're going to do
show
right
you
now
back
is
here.
we're going to run out a
If you look right here in the top left,
aerobatic
the
aircraft.
back seater is just as capable of installing those engines right there.
Not yet done so.
It's pretty neat.
How many buttons? This is the Raptor.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, he's way up there. Whoa! Oh, goodness. Oh, my goodness. It's falling. Story wants to go on this one now, Alley Cats. We might have a little pilot. She's patiently waiting her turn. Alright, Story's climbing in. What do you think? Are you gonna fly? Where's Story? Hi! There she is. She's taking off.
We just missed an explosion simulator. We got an old World War II plane up in the sky.
W-190 is a German single-seat, single-engine fighter aircraft designed by Kurt Tank in the late 1930s.
Oh, look at that.
That's crazy.
He's attacking. Joint Base Charleston. The German Focke-Wulf.
Tim found this tank, and he said that this is the gun that he used to shoot when he was in Afghanistan and Iraq.
So we got this old M3A1. It's got a half track on it. It carries, 8 or 9 soldiers in the back, plus a gunner, 2 drivers, or a driver and a TC. I was talking to the gentleman that owns this, and he said that an Iraq War veteran, he didn't say Army, Air Force, he didn't say, but he actually spent 2 years restoring this, recovering from his wounds, and then after it was fully restored, the gentleman in the black hat over there, he actually bought it from him, and the guy's name that restored it is Sergeant Kish, K-I-S-H, and he says from Ohio. So I thought that was pretty cool. F-16, I think.
Did you hear
I lost it. Where'd he go?
Is he gonna come back?
Yeah.
I don't know if he's gonna come back. Ah!
Here he goes. Whoosh.
It's going real slow.
Putting his little tail down.
Ooh.
Doing a little, he's popping a wheelie. He's popping a wheelie on the cloud.
Hi everyone. Today
We're at the airplane show, huh?
Yeah.
What was your favorite airplane that you saw today? That big loud one that made your belly rumble?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Well, we're about to see some that are even bigger.
That one really, this way.
Yep.
That one's gonna
We're gonna see that one in the sky, aren't we?
Yeah.
You ready for it?
That's so cool.
It's on. We're rolling, honey. We're live. Keep your eyes on the sky, Story. There he goes, Story.
Hi, everyone.
That's the plane. Well, kind of like the plane we were walking on.
Look at that plane. Look. Whoa.
Just went up into the sky with ease. Like it was no big deal.
Look. Whoa.
It's gonna turn around. Slow and steady.
What a plane.
Story has a phone call. She's a busy girl. Here he comes. It's almost time for the main event. We have Fat Albert giving us a 15-minute show, and then we have the Blue Angels. Hi, everybody. We're ready. You ready, Story? Here he comes for a parade pass. Any second. Oh, there he is.
Wave to him.
C-130 is capable of carrying a payload of 40,000 pounds at a top speed of 375 miles per hour and at altitudes as high as 35,000 feet.
Here he comes for a flat pass. Here he comes. Chicken. Here they come. There's one. And two. Woo! Go, Moana. Go, Moana. Okay, this is what they call a vortus, apparently. Here comes the Diamond Dirty Roll. Tim just goes, oh, this is good. It's gonna be loud. Where'd they go? Oh, here they come. See them? There they are.